an unboxing video. A quick update. For this birthday, I decided to have another hype for my skincare. I suddenly found this website called YesStyle and I ordered few products from them. It's pretty hard to find a website who sell good care beauty products in UK. So let's unbox the package with me. Let's see. First one from the package is Nimbusin number 5 vitamin niacinamide concentrated pads, exfoliating pads. I hope most of you have seen this one. Try and see. So this is actually good for skin which needs exfoliate. One is, I hope this is going to be a game changer. Glow skin tone routine. The Terternde milk skin toner ആണ്. So use ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ളവരൊക്കെ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുള്ളത് it will give really nice glow. Yeah, I think both the 5th bottle since I've started using this product. Fosrox in the snail mucin vitamin C serum. പുതിയ product ആണ്, but I've been using vitamin C for a long time, on and off. അപ്പോൾ എൻ്റെ കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് ഞാൻ ഇത് ഓർഡർ ചെയ്തു. And the last one is Glutathione Niacinamide Facial Cream. അറിയില്ല, ഞാൻ ചുമ്മാ ഒരു മോയ്സ്ചറൈസർ കണ്ടപ്പോൾ വാങ്ങി എന്നുള്ളൂ. Not quite sure about this product. The complimentary Hydro Boost Enzyme Powder Wash from Terter. Yeah, that's all about this video. Wish me luck.